Spice is excited that 2020 is over.
Happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year! Hip hip hooray! We made it!
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, 2021, we here again, right? But people, everybody, I know no excited say it's a new year, but I don't think nobody is more excited than Spice. And we all know what she been through in 2020. You know, she have some ups and downs. You know, she had good times as far as, you know, she met Rasta. I don't know if they met in 2020, but we definitely see she and Rasta in a 2020. She had a new home. She purchased a new home in a 2020, but we don't know all the other parts them will go on, right? So she very excited that it's 2021 and she leave all of that behind and she want to share some of the good energy with Uno. So I have some video for Uno when I go play. All right, so take a listen to what Spice have to say. Here goes.
I want to wish you all a great 2021. We all saw what 2020 did. Write down your goals and go for it. Pray tonight, pray hard. Because y'all see, so we're going to need a word of prayer for this year. And I wish you all of the best. More success. God's richest blessings. For you, your entire family, your loved ones, and everybody where they're around you. More life, more prosperity, more blessings. Yeah. Don't forget. If you even forget piece of pen and paper, write it down. Stick it on the door where you leave out of your bedroom. That means every morning you wake up, you're supposed to see it when you go through the door. Write down those goals and let's go for it. 2021 is all about money here. A money here we are dealing with this year. I mean, no baga. All of the baga they behind me and left behind 2020. Bye-bye 2020! Bye-bye 2020! Welcome 2021. So yeah. Ready for a more happy life, love, joy, peace, prosperity, blessing.
Yes, so on the year what the Queen has say a more life for 2021, a more prosperity, a more blessing. So in the next part now, she says she leave all the 2020 things behind, right? God clear out her life and get rid of who him for get rid of. And now 2021, it look good for her. So what me I say, then she finish off say she and Rasta go do. You know what I mean? Here goes.
Space. God do him work and get rid of him for get rid of. And I'm just happy. I mean, now make nobody distract me and deter me from my happiness. And I wish you guys to do the same. Love, joy, peace, prosperity, more blessing. 2021, go down on the knee and pray for what you want. Write it down. Set no goals down, a dream and go fit. Now make nobody telling us how you can't do it. Don't forget me, I come from homeless. Me, I come from no shoes or one pair of shoes. Remember, say, I fight through it all. You've seen it for your own self and I made it out of nothing. If I can do it, you can do it too. I just want to wish you all the best. I decree and declare nothing but joy and peace and blessing and prosperity. Yeah, I mean, I repeat myself. I just love you guys. I just want to wish everything that's good for you guys. Just a good 2021. Love, enough blessing. Me just do my fireworks. Me look a cornflakes. I feel like a precious. I had a great dinner because I did a beautiful wedding, Justin and I. And it was just a beautiful day, you know. Belly full, come home, but I feel peckies. Make look a cornflakes. Drink my cornflakes a while ago. I go upstairs, go bed. And go on with the nasty. Yeah, I'm gonna do the nasty all night, right through. Right through the night. It's 2021, baby. I have no worries. I love you guys. I just wanted to tell you Happy New Year.
So now hear that people Spice say she and Rasta go do something. Or them do it already because I'm from last night. You see me? So big up the Queen one more time. And you know what I mean? Me just wish her a happy 2021 and beyond. Okay?
Rock with me. I want everybody to go out and buy this copy. Everybody. I want to sell 1 million copies of this. Job styling. Wicked. Nobody can stop reggae music.
I'm bringing back the one, job styling, yeah.
artist is called Yahman Dennie and the song is called All Night.
Job style in your heart. Nobody can stop reggae music. Stop reggae music. Nobody can stop.
So people no hear what the artist said. The man a defend reggae music. Nobody can stop reggae music.
We'll always love you. We'll always love you. We'll always love you.
And people, the artists here put in the work from with it.
Rock with me all night. Hug and kiss me all night. Make love to me all night, baby. I'm bringing back the one job style in you.
I mean, know so the people them will love and rate good music and appreciate that one, cause me appreciate it. Drum and bass music.
Nobody can stop reggae music. Stop reggae music. Nobody can stop reggae music. All night long. Rock me, baby. Hold me, baby. Squeeze me, baby. All night long. I want do them, them. I want do them, them. Them better rock out. This are the rude boy style. Rock out. Dancehall gone wild. Rude boy in the dancehall, the dance gone wild. Ganja smoke blowing up in the sky. Sexy girl winding up them waistline. All night long. All night long. All night long.
Me just love to make that part they play with people. It's like a stage show vibes. What wanna say?
Rock me, baby. Hold me, baby. Squeeze me, baby. All night long. And I will always love you.
And people, me review that artist here many times before. And one thing me can tell you about the artist here, I have consistency. All of the song them sound the same way up on a level, you see me? And from you have that, you know what I mean, you're well on your way and him work hard towards him goal.
All night, baby. So I'm bringing back the one job style in you. I'm bringing back the one.
Every song where him send me so far, it clean and crispy, the mix right, the beat them bad people. Me don't know how who make the beat them theme, but me I telling them beat ya. You see me I say drum and bass, the person who make the beat know what them a do, the person who record him know what them a do, and him himself you can tell so them know what them a do.
Stop reggae music, nobody can stop reggae music. All night long, and I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. Baby, come rock with me all night. Hug and kiss me all night. Make love to me all night. Baby, I will always love you. I will always love you. I will
Once again, people, the artist name is Yahman Dennie and the song is called All Night, right? And the artist is straight out of St. Vincent. Big up the Vincy massive. You see me? And people, me I tell him is a good song, good artist, and a straight professional work him a put out. So I think him deserve, you know what I mean, some attention. So I go put him social media links so you can check out him page and follow him career, people. Me I tell you no, the artist is onto something and the artist is consistent, like I said. You know what I mean? Him a make song and him a do it right.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.